Hi, this is Sarah. In this video, we're going to go over how to manage visitor passes as a property manager in the ButterflyMX OS. Let's get started. First, log into your ButterflyMX admin account by heading to butterflymx.com/login and clicking Admin. Enter your username and password and hit Sign in with email. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Buildings page. From here, select the building you'd like to manage visitor passes for. Next, head to the Active Visitor Access section using the menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see a list of all active visitor passes created by your tenants. You'll find the tenant who created the pass, the name and the type of pass, the pass's start and end times, and its expiration date. To view more details, click on the name of the pass. You'll see the recipient's contact information and the QR code for access. If necessary, you can also revoke access with a single click. If you're managing a large list, use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly find a specific pass. And that's it. Now you know how to manage visitor passes in the ButterflyMX OS. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more property management tips. Thanks for watching.